So, you think you know nothing about cars? Welcome to the club. Most people don't. They get in, turn the key, and hope for the best. It's like having a giant, mysterious metal box that you trust with your life every single day. Sounds a little crazy when you put it that way, doesn't it? Well, I used to be right there with you. The sound of the engine was just noise. The little lights on the dashboard were like weird, angry hieroglyphics. And the thought of opening the hood? Forget about it. Gaskets, alternators, other words I couldn't pronounce. The goal is to feel safe, in control. All right, let's pop the hood and peek inside. We're not going to get greasy, I swear. We're just going to learn the names of the key players. First up is the engine. It's the big metal thing in the middle. The engine is the heart of your car. It burns fuel to create the power that makes the wheels turn. It needs clean oil and the right temperature to stay healthy. Next, find the battery. Little plastic box, red cable for positive, black for negative. The battery powers starting, your lights, and your radio. No juice in the battery, no starting the car. Oil lubricates fast-moving metal parts. Think of it as lotion for your car's insides. Then the coolant. It circulates to absorb heat and gets cooled in the radiator up front. In hot or stop-and-go conditions, coolant is critical to avoid the danger zone. You also need to stop. Brakes use hydraulic pressure to press pads against a spinning rotor. If brakes feel soft, squeal, or grind, get help immediately. Your tires are your car's shoes. They give you grip to accelerate, turn, and stop. They need enough tread and the right air pressure. Finally, your dashboard. Fuel and temperature gauges, and that check engine light. Don't ignore it. All these parts work together to get you where you need to go safely and reliably. You don't need to block off your whole Saturday. Park on a flat surface, engine off, and cool. Find the dipstick. Pull it out, wipe it clean, push it back in, and pull it out again. Look at the end. It should be between the two marks, full or ADD. If it's low, add the correct type of oil. Next, glance at the battery. Corrosion looks like white or greenish-blue powder on the terminals. Corrosion can block good contact. Have a mechanic clean heavy buildup. Slow cranking or dim lights at startup could mean your battery is getting weak. Get a cheap tire gauge. Check the sticker inside the driver's door for the correct PSI front and rear. Unscrew the cap, press the gauge on firmly, and read the pressure. If it's low, use a station air pump and inflate to the proper level. Proper pressure is safer, improves handling, and saves gas. With a friend, turn on headlights, check taillights and marker lights, and press the brake to confirm both brake lights work. Don't forget turn signals. When cool, fluid should sit between low and full lines on the coolant tank. Top off windshield washer fluid. It's a lifesaver behind a muddy truck. This 5-minute friendship checkup makes a huge difference. You can do this, I promise. Sooner or later, it happens to everyone. For a flat, get to a safe, flat spot and turn on your hazards. Your car has a spare, a jack, and a lug wrench. If you feel comfortable, you can change it. Loosen the lug nuts before jacking, then lift, swap, and reinstall the nuts. If you feel unsafe or unsure, call roadside assistance. That's what it's for. A dead battery clicks and lights may be dim. You probably need a jump start. Connect cables correctly to avoid sparks. Red to positive, black to negative. Order: red clamp to the dead battery positive, red to the good battery positive, black to the good battery negative, last black to unpainted metal on the dead car away from the battery. Run the donor for a few minutes, then try your car. If the temperature shoots into red or you see steam, pull over safely and turn off the engine. Do not open the radiator hot. Let it cool completely. Usually call a tow. Weird sounds are early warnings. Note when they happen: accelerating, braking, turning, constant or intermittent. It helps your mechanic diagnose fast and saves money. Sometimes you need a pro. That's okay. The key is preparation. Describe clearly. Not just a funny noise, but a high-pitched squeal from the front right wheel when braking. A good mechanic explains problems and solutions in plain words. Ask questions. Say, I don't know what a CV joint is. What does it do and why replace it? Always get a written estimate with parts and labor. No surprises. Ask what's critical for safety now and what can wait. Stage repairs if needed, or get a second opinion. Be respectful and firm. You have the final say. If they replace a part, you can ask to see the old one. That builds trust and confirms the work. Cars are like people. Give a little attention and they stay healthy. Weekly, during fill-ups, walk around, eyeball tires, and watch for new dash warnings. Monthly, check oil level, coolant and washer fluid, and tire pressure. Every 6 months, rotate tires and check tread. Yearly, full service, oil and filter, brake inspection, battery test, overall check. Follow the manual for brake fluid, spark plugs, and air filters. This proactive schedule beats emergency breakdowns. Cheaper, calmer, safer. See? That wasn't so bad. Remember, once a month check your oil and your tire pressure. It takes under 10 minutes and can save thousands. Learn to listen. Start small. Ask for help. Drive with the confidence you've earned. You've got this. Stay safe out there.